Hi, it's Aidan here at Blackpool Seat. Showing around this Ateca that we have in stock. It's a 24 plate on just over 4,000 miles. It's in excellent condition. Got your state lighting, daytime running lights for the car. Sat on exclusive 19-inch diamond cut alloys. All in excellent condition. This is the XPERIENCE Lux model, finished off in white. It's got all sorts of tech on it. I'll talk you about that tech in a bit more detail when we get involved in the car. Alloys look absolutely stunning on this car. Suit the car really well. Cars for sale here at Blackpool Seat, part of the Cox Motor Group, privately owned, family run group of dealerships. You'll find dealerships owned by us in sites such as Kendal, Lancaster, Southport, Blackpool of course, and Wigan. Selling brands such as Volkswagen, Honda, Seat, Automart and Mitsubishi. So at the Blackpool site, we've got Blackpool Automart. Next door to us, they sell a variety of brands of cars, quite a few of our part exchanges come in from there. Next door to them, you've got Honda Superbikes. Across the road, you've got our flagship dealership, which is Blackpool Honda. And over in the distance, you've got the paint and body shop clinic, as well as the in-house workshop. So all used cars that we sell do go through body shop prep. Any little scratches or marks wrong with the car do get sorted before sale. Also goes through workshop, has an in-depth check, 142 point check to get it Seat approved standard. That includes your brakes and tyres, so any tyres under 3mm in tread will get replaced with some brand new ones. And the car does come with at least 9 months service and at least 9 months MOT for your peace of mind. Yeah, let's get involved in the car. I'll show you the boot first. First of all, car does have a virtual pedal. Sweep your foot underneath the boot and it opens up automatically. Got a nice deep boot, plenty of room. Parcel shelf of course for extra luggage privacy. And you do have the levers either side to fold your seats forward, and a 60-40 split giving you plenty of extra room. To shut the boot, you've got a handy little button up at the top of the boot. Just give that a tap and it closes the boot. It's an excellent feature to have on a big SUV. Also got a reversing camera. Show you how that looks on the interior, on the infotainment system. So you've got full leather seats with this Ateca. It is the XPERIENCE Lux, so it's one of the top range models of Ateca that they do. Isofix mounting points in the rear for any child seats. The seats look stunning, especially with this pattern that they've got with the stitching. Got plenty of room in the boot, and you do also have 2 USB-C ports for the rear passengers for any phones to charge. Stepping into the car, this car does have keyless entry and keyless start. So I'll turn the car on now. I had to have it turned off to show you that boot. As you can see, you've got a push button start to start up the car. Automatic DSG gearbox. Just down here you've got your driving mode style. So you've got Eco, Normal, Sports and Individual. They also pop up on your infotainment system. If you give it a second. There we go. Yep, Eco, Normal, Sport, Individual, tailored to your own driving needs. You've also got an electronic parking brake and your brake hold. Down in the centre console, you've got wireless charging, so that's your charging pad located there. Also have your power outlets, that's your 12 volt power outage, as well as your two USB-C ports to charge any phones through wires. Dual zone climate control. You've got park assist, park pilot and auto stop start, which can be turned on or off. You've also got your boot button located on the driver's seat if you wanted to open the boot from the driver's seat. It's a very convenient button placed there. Talk you through the infotainment system. So you've got your full menu up here. You've got all your radio sources, all your media sources on the first two options. Bluetooth hands-free audio. You've got full link with this car. Like I said, it's got wireless charging. It also has wireless full link as well. So it's your wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and your mirror link. Connect it up like Bluetooth. It's an excellent feature to have, especially with the wireless charging. No cables involved. Just pop your phone in there and you can get going. It's got your vehicle information here, so that's your miles per gallon, all your driving data stored there. You can adjust the sound on your speakers, and you can also adjust the air conditioning via touchscreen. Click these three dashes here, brings you to your, let's say your main menu. You've got your three main options here. You can have your sat nav, you can have whatever you're listening to, as well as your Bluetooth hands-free audio, all displayed at once. And you click the four Windows buttons just to go back to the full main menu. It's an excellent interior to sit in, feels very luxurious. As you can see, you've got some more stitching imprinted. You've got ambient lighting which goes across the door cards. Got an excellent brushed metal effect across the door cards as well, that runs through onto the centre console. Feels like a lovely place to sit in. Couple of cup holders down here, and of course you've got an armrest as well, which is adjustable. As you can see, front seats look even better than the rear, especially with that stitching. Fully leather, very nice place to sit in. I'll also note, with the full leather interior, you also get heated seats, another excellent feature to have. So I'll move on to the steering wheel now. You've got your cruise control and your media buttons located on your left hand side of the steering wheel, and on the right hand side controls your digital cockpit, so you can adjust the view with the view button. All personal preference, what you'd like to have displayed there, and you can also change what's displayed in the centre of the cockpit. A lot of people like to display the maps, a few people also like to display the media that they've got. It's an excellent feature to have, fully customisable. Down to the right, you've got your lifestyle, and on the driver's door card, you've got electrically adjustable mirrors, also heated. Child lock located on the driver's door card next to the door handle, and electrical windows. Yep, one last thing to note before I jump out the interior. As you can see, this car is sat on 4,319 miles, very low mileage. It's had one owner from new, very well looked after. Don't think this will need to go through body shop at all. It's in excellent condition. Yeah, that's the interior. Give you one last walk around with the lights turned on and the engine running to give you an idea of what it looks like with the engine running. Some lights look stunning as well, very bright at night. As I said, it's for sale here at Blackpool Seats. If you'd like to know any more information about this car or any finance options available on this car, please contact the sales team on 01253 600 980, or for a more personalised video, again contact the sales team 01253 600 980. We hope to hear from you soon.